Hello, welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of software. From the apps on your phone to the operating systems running your computers, software is everywhere. Let's explore what software is, its types, and why it's so important.
So, what exactly is software?
Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. It's the intangible part of your computer system, as opposed to hardware, which you can physically touch.
And now let's talk about the types of software.
Software can be broadly divided into two categories: system software and application software. Let's start with system software. System software is a type of computer software designed to provide a platform for other software. It acts as an intermediary between hardware and application software, enabling the computer's hardware to communicate with the software applications that are being run. The operating system is the most critical type of system software. It manages the computer's hardware resources and provides essential services for application software.
Process management handles the creation, scheduling, and termination of processes. Memory management manages the allocation and reallocation of memory space. File system management controls the creation, deletion, and access of files. Device management manages device communication via drivers. User interface provides a user interface, either graphical GUI or command line CLI.
Windows, a widely used OS developed by Microsoft. Linux, an open-source operating system used on servers, desktops, and mobile devices. Mac OS, the operating system for Apple's Mac computers. Unix, a powerful multi-user OS used mainly on servers and workstations. Device drivers are specialized programs that allow the operating system to communicate with hardware devices. Each hardware component, such as a printer, graphics card, or keyboard, requires a driver to function correctly.
Hardware abstraction simplifies hardware access for applications. Command translation converts high-level commands into device-specific instructions. Data transfer manages data exchange between the OS and hardware.
Utilities are system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. They perform a specific task, usually related to system maintenance or performance.
Antivirus software scans and removes malicious software. Disk cleanup tools removes unnecessary files to free up space. Backup software creates copies of data to prevent data loss. System monitors track system resources and performance.
Firmware is low-level system software stored in non-volatile memory, ROM, EEPROM, that provides control for a device's specific hardware. It is often embedded directly into the device.
Hardware initialization prepares hardware during the boot process. Control programs provides essential control functions for the device. Updates can be updated to improve functionality or fix bugs.
A bootloader is a small program that loads the operating system into the computer's memory during the boot process.
Initialization initializes system hardware. Loading the OS loads the operating system kernel into memory. Transfer control transfers control to the operating system.
A shell is a user interface for access to an operating system services. It can be command line based, CLI, or graphical, GUI.
Command line shells, such as Bash in Linux, providing text-based interaction. Graphical shells, such as Windows Explorer, providing graphical user interface elements. And now let's talk about the second types of software application software.
Application software, often simply called an app, is a type of computer program designed to perform specific tasks for users. Unlike system software, which manages and operates computer hardware, application software helps users carry out particular activities or solve problems. And finally, let's talk about artificial intelligence. AI-powered software can learn, adapt, and even predict user behavior. Think of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, or recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon. Thanks for watching Tech Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Wait for more videos.